Offered in a variety of styles and sizes for your installation needs. Material, steel. Manufactured from aluminized steel for durability. Ideal for weld or clamp installations. Burr-free construction for proper fitment. Walker supplies all of the accessories you need to do the complete exhaust job. Walker, with our worldwide OE partnerships and manufacturing facilities, possesses the technical excellence needed to meet today's emissions control needs, while developing solutions for tomorrow's challenges. Walker is a one-stop convenience, offering complete engine-to-tailpipe coverage of replacement emissions control systems and components for popular domestic and import vehicles in broadmarket, performance, and commercial vehicle applications. Walker delivers optimal OE-style fit, appearance, and dependability in aftermarket emissions control parts. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit 1979 Ford F-150, 4.9, 300c 6-cylinder. I put all that info in the title to hopefully help someone looking for this piece to be able to hook up directly to the stock exhaust manifold on a Ford 4.9. This piece did the job for me with no modifications. Holes matched the manifold studs and the flange fit perfectly.